Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play online casino in 1xBet. So let's start. 1xBet is one of the most popular casinos around the world and you can play in many countries. However, not all the countries has this casino available. So for playing this, if you are in a country that is not available this casino, you need a VPN. What is a VPN? It's a way to change your IP on your device, and in that way you can play casinos from anywhere, from any time, etc. So how can you get a VPN? I recommend you NordVPN. NordVPN is the most useful VPN and the best service online for VPN. So if you use NordVPN, you can unlock shows from anywhere, play casino anywhere, or play games anywhere safely. And with our partner link in the description below, you get a special discount. The link is always down there, so check it out. Plus these guys, you will get a 30-day money back warranty. What means that if you don't like the service from NordVPN, you don't like how it works, we'll return the money to you, so there is no problem about it. Now, in principal page on NordVPN, you can read all the features that it offers you. If you like them, you can click on the link below and get the NordVPN without any problem. When you subscribe to the NordVPN, then you have to log in the principal page here, and you have to write your email address as well as your password. So just write it, log in, and when you log in here, you will be in the principal page on NordVPN. Then you have to go to the left side, and here on the left side you have to go to NordVPN, and then you have to click on the manual setup. So when you do manual setup, just scroll down, just go to manual setup. Here appears the country. For example, this is the country where I am right now. But if I want to change it, just click there and just select the country that you prefer. Just select the country that is available xBet. So for example, I think it's I don't know, United States, and just click here and you will find a pass of VPN that you can use for United States. So guys, that's the way to do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.